If you have curly or wavy hair and want to change up your look, you may have considered straightening your hair. Unfortunately, some chemical hair straighteners contain harmful chemicals, like sulfur, which can damage the health of your hair and can make it even frizzier over time. Luckily, you can use a milk and honey spray, a castor and soybean oil mixture, a celery leaf extract, and combing methods to naturally and safely get rid of your curls. These all-natural, no-heat solutions will relax your hair but must be performed daily if you want to keep your hair straight. Method using a milk and honey spray. Number 1. Mix 1/2 cup 236 milliliters of milk and 1/2 cup 236 milliliters of water together. Mix the ingredients in an empty spray bottle so that you can easily apply the mixture to your hair. You can use cow's milk, almond milk, or coconut milk for the solution. Shake the spray bottle vigorously to incorporate the ingredients. 1. This method will relax slightly wavy hair, but won't straighten kinky or very curly hair. 2. Milk has vitamin E and proteins which will strengthen and straighten your hair. Number 2. Pour a tablespoon of honey into the bottle. Add the honey to the solution and shake the spray bottle again to mix the honey with the milk. Honey will add a natural sheen to your hair. 3. A drop of coconut or almond oil may also be helpful in reducing frizz. Number 3. Spray the solution onto your hair. Thoroughly wet your hair with the milk and water solution, making sure to spray both the roots and the ends of your hair strands. Work the solution into your scalp with your fingertips. Number 4. Comb your hair straight. Comb from the root of your hair, all the way down to your hair shaft, working the milk and honey solution into your hair. If you have wavy hair, you should see the strands start to get straight. If you have kinky or curly hair, the solution will make your hair look more healthy, but may not remove your curls. Number 5. Let the solution sit in your hair for 30 minutes. The vitamins and nutrients in the mixture will start to soften and straighten your hair. You may want to cover your head with a shower cap or put a towel around your shoulders so that the solution doesn't drip on you. Number 6. Wash the solution out with cold water. Make sure to rinse your hair well and remove any milk or honey that hasn't been absorbed. If you leave the solution in your hair, it may create an unpleasant smell as it dries. Number 7. Comb your hair and let it dry. Comb your hair with a wide-toothed comb while it's still wet. Get all of the knots and curls out of it as you brush it. Then, you can let your hair air dry or you can blow dry it for a more finished look. Method 2. Straightening hair with castor and soybean oil. Number 1. Mix castor oil with soybean oil in a bowl. Measure 2 tablespoons 29.5 milliliters of castor oil with 1 tablespoon 14.7 milliliters of soybean oil and mix the two oils until they are well incorporated. Castor oil will help reduce frizz in your hair and soybean oil will help straighten the strands. 7. Some companies produce all-natural castor oil creams specifically designed to straighten hair. You can find these products online, salons, or in the hair aisle at a department store. Number 2. Heat the oil slightly. Pour the oil into a pan and heat it until it's warm or put the mixture into the microwave for no more than 5 to 10 seconds. As the oil gets warm, it will become less viscous and will be easier to handle. Number 3. Rub the oil into your hair and scalp. Apply some of the warm oil to the palms of your hands. Run your fingers through your hair to disperse the oil onto your scalp and hair. Make sure to cover each strand so that your hair straightens uniformly. 9. Apply enough oil so that your strands get saturated by the oil, but don't overdo it and drench your hair in oil or your hair may look greasy. Number 4. Cover your hair with a damp towel and wait for 30 minutes. Wet down your towel with warm water. Wrapping your head in a warm, damp towel will help the oil soak into your hair follicles. Number 5. Rinse out the oil. Once you've let the oil soak into your hair for 30 minutes, undo the towel wrapped around your head. Your hair should already start to look more straight. Run your head under cold water, making sure to remove as much excess oil as you can. Number 6. Comb your hair and let it air dry. Use a wide-toothed comb to get all of the knots and tangles out of your hair. Your hair should now be much straighter than it was when you started. Don't use a towel to dry your hair or it may frizz and curl up. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel for latest updates. Thanks.